Hi everyone, this is Guide with Samuel, and today I'll show you how to easily buy a PayPal gift card online in 2025. It's perfect for gifting or topping up your own balance. Step 1. Visit PayPal's gift card store at paypal.com/use/gifts. Step 2. Browse available cards. You can choose from retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Steam, and more. Step 3. Click the gift card you want to buy. Step 4. Choose the amount you want to purchase. Step 5. Select Buy Now and log into your PayPal account. Step 6. Choose your payment method, your PayPal balance, linked card, or bank account. Step 7. Confirm your purchase and complete the transaction. Step 8. Your digital gift card will be emailed to you, or it may appear instantly in your PayPal account. Make sure your PayPal account is in good standing with a valid funding source. Some cards are non-refundable, so double check before buying. That's it. You've just bought a PayPal gift card online. Subscribe for more smart PayPal tips, only on Guide with Samuel.